Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good evening, everybody. I am Dr. Salah, orthopedic consultant, member of the Royal College of England. I am the head of the MRCS Salah courses, Part A and Part B. In this video, we'll talk generally about MRCS, and we will specify some minutes to talk about OSCE part or Part B. Regarding of MRCS, it has two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A established 3 times every year, on January, on May, and on September. Part A, you have 2 papers. Paper 1, it contains anatomy, physiology, and pathology. Regarding of paper 2, it will be subspecialties like orthopedic, GIT, pediatric, plastic, CNS, like this way. After passing Part A, you will go to Part B. Part B contents or exam contents, it will be 2 sections also. Knowledge part or knowledge section and skills section. Knowledge sections, you have 80 stations with total marks around 160. It has 80 stations, 3 stations for anatomy, 3 stations for critical care, 2 stations for pathology. Another section which will be about skills part, it will be 3 stations for examination, 2 stations for communications, 2 stations for history taking, and 2 stations for procedures. So total now 9 stations with total mark 180. To pass this exam, you should pass every section separately. In this website, which is established by MRCS, you will have contents like this way. Theories lecture videos, around 30 lectures. Another videos for procedures and examinations. This is established mainly on and based mainly on the Royal College evidence and guidelines. Third, it will be videos for mocks, which will be done at the end of the course, and this will be with practice with all of you. Lastly, you will have soft copy for the theory lecture videos. It will have soft copy for this PDF, okay? Best of luck for all of you. I hope to get all evidence and all requirements to pass this exam smoothly and easily. Best of luck, thanks.